Use the voice guide and set up your smart call blocker quickly and easily. Here is how. After installing your telephone, the base will prompt you to set the date and time. You can choose to set or skip it. Then, the telephone prompts you to set the smart call blocker with the voice guide. Select yes and start the setup.
Hello. This voice guide will assist you with the basic setup of smart call blocker.
Here you have two options on setting up the smart call blocker. If you press 1, the smart call blocker will screen home calls by asking the caller to say his or her name, then press the pound key. Make sure you enter and save your contacts, like family and friends, to the phone book in the allow list to avoid screening these calls later. You might also want to set the star name list if you are expecting calls from organizations like schools, medical offices, and pharmacies. If you press 2, the smart call blocker will allow all incoming calls to get through. Make sure you add unwanted calls, like telemarketers and robocalls, to the block list to prevent their calls from ringing through later. To set up the smart call blocker afterward, or with a different screening method, press call block to enter the smart call blocker menu for more options. For help, watch the tutorials here. For more helpful tips, subscribe to the VTech support channel, or check out our other videos to keep watching.